This setup has evolved over the years of travel, creating content, and trial and error. Everything here serves a purpose, and together it creates a lightweight but powerful travel kit. First up is my DJI Mini 2. This drone has traveled everywhere from weekend getaways to international destinations. What I love most is how compact it is. It fits easily into my backpack while still delivering incredible aerial footage. If you're a travel creator, adding drone footage instantly elevates your videos. The Insta360 Go 3S might be the most underrated camera in my kit. It's tiny, lightweight, and perfect for capturing moments without carrying a full-size camera. I use it for POV shots, walking tours, and behind the scenes. A couple of my favorite parts is the flip-up screen. If you're taking video selfies, you can see yourself and make sure you're in frame. Not to mention, if you detach the lens, it becomes waterproof for all those outdoor water excursions on your travel destination. My wallet of choice is the King's Loot wallet. It's slim, it's minimalist, and it keeps everything organized. And of course, I never travel without my American Express Platinum card. For me, airport lounge access, travel protections, hotel benefits, and rewards make it one of my most valuable travel tools. Not to mention there's no foreign transaction fees. One item most people overlook is a good pair of earplugs. And sometimes productivity is less about adding things and more about eliminating distractions. That's why I carry the Loop Switch 2 earplugs for flights, busy coffee shops, and noisy environments. This might be the most useful item in my setup. The Rolling Square InCharge 6 lives on my keychain. It gives me USB-C, Lightning, micro USB, and USB connections all in one compact cable. It saved me more times than I can count. My primary work machine is the MacBook Air. It's lightweight, powerful, and handles everything I need while traveling, from editing videos to running my business. For anyone working remotely, portability is everything. The most affordable item in my EDC might be the coolest. The Casio CA53W has become a conversation starter everywhere I go. It's simple, lightweight, nostalgic, and surprisingly practical. And what I love most about it, it captures 2 time zones, so I get to keep track of local time and the time at home. Hydration is something I take seriously while traveling. The Drink stainless steel flat bottle fits where traditional bottles can't. It slides into laptop sleeve, backpack pockets, and keeps me from constantly buying plastic bottles. The best EDC is not about carrying more, it's about carrying efficiently. I'd love to know what's in your everyday carry. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. I post new videos like this every Saturday, covering travel, tech, lifestyle, and behind the scenes content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.